Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python assignment operators. So first of all, what are operators in Python? So operators are special symbols which are used to perform some operation on values in a program. For example, 10 plus 20. So here 10, 20 are values and plus is the operator. So now coming to the assignment operator. So assignment operator, it is used to assign a value to a variable in a program. So it is equals to symbol. So generally we have to call it as assignment operator. For example, LHS assigned with RHS. So RHS value is assigned to LHS. Example, 10 assigned to A, 20 assigned to B, and then we can perform sum assigned with A plus B. We also have compound assignments. So compound assignments we are going to use with arithmetic operators plus assignment. So addition assignment, which is A plus assigned with B, which is equivalent to A equal to A plus B. So first it will perform A plus B and then assign that value back to A. Similarly, minus subtraction assignment, multiply assignment, divide assignment, modulo assignment, floor division assignment, exponent assignment. So in all these cases, what happens? So first, if you take A subtraction assigned with B, which is equivalent to A is A minus B. So first it will perform A minus B and then assign the value back to A. So similarly for other cases. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. Right. So we'll see all the cases one by one. A equal to 11, B equal to 3. So instead of saying equal, we have to call it as assigned with 11, B assigned with 3. So 11 plus 3, 14. So 14 is assigned to sum. Print sum. So save this program, come to the command prompt and run it. So Python assignment operators example1.py. So sum is 14. So next coming to A11, B3. A plus assigned with B. So first what happens here? A assigned with A plus B. So A plus B, 11 plus 3, 14. So 14 is assigned to A. So A will be 14, B will be 3 only. So execute till here. Run it. So A is 14, B is 3. Similarly, once again, A11, B3. A minus assigned with B. So what happens here? A is A minus B. So 11 minus 3, 8 is assigned to A. So A will be 8, B will be 3 only. So execute till here. A is 8, B is 3 only. Next. Once again, A 11, B 3. So A multiply assigned with B. So which means A assigned with A into B. So A into B, answer is 33. So 33 is assigned to A. So print A 33, print B, it will be 3 only. So save this, run. So 33 is A, B is 3. So next, once again, A11, B 3. So A divide assigned with B. So which is equivalent to A equal to A by B. So 11 by 3. So the quotient is 3.666. That will be assigned to A. So print A 3.666. B will be 3 only. It is unmodified. run it. So A 3.666, B is 3. So next, let us perform one more operation here. A 11, B 3. A modulo assigned with B. Right. So A is A modulo B. Right. So A modulo B, remainder is 2. So 2 is assigned to A. So print A 2, print B 3, which is not modified. Save it and run it. So 2, 3, AB. Next, coming to floor division and assignment. A11, B3. A floor division assigned with B, which is equivalent to A is A floor division of B. So floor division means if the remainder is not divisible, it will stop. Okay. So 11 divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 2. It is not divisible. It will stop. Okay. So A will be 3. B will be 3. So save it and run. So 3, 3. Next, coming to the last case. A11, B3. A exponent assigned with B, which is equivalent to A is A exponent B. Okay. So 11 power of 3. So 11 power of 3, it is approximately 1331 assigned to A. So print A, print B. So B will be 3 only. So save it and run. So A is 1331 exactly, not approximately. B is 3. So this is how we are supposed to work with assignment operator, which is used to assign a value to a variable in Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.